The Columbus C Series 29 or 299 RLC. Again, so new that we don't have the price yet.
Yeah, no price.
Price coming soon.
It's absolutely that new.
Okay, this is obviously a fifth wheel. Let's talk about what we're seeing just as we jump in. We're getting through this one pretty quick.
It's beautiful. If you look again at all the seating, the gargantuous TV, I think it's like over 60 inches.
Yeah, that's a big TV.
You got a very comfortable couch in the back that's a sofa sleeper. You also had some theater seating, which is very nice. Look at the
like
kitchen.
These kind of stoves too.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
That's you know, it's a little smaller than residential, but it's
right.
It's beautiful.
It looks like an open gas.
Yeah, it is. It's all stainless steel, beautiful oven.
Oh, they're saying the TV is 50 inches.
Oh, 50. I lied. My bad.
Yeah.
You've got the convection oven microwave up above. Huge residential refrigerator. I feel like we're in a TikTok right now.
Yeah.
We are sprinting.
We are moving.
Up to the bathroom, you can see a large residential shower. Even has the step stool in there that you can sit on.
Pretty big sink, too.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Even lots of countertop space. One of the biggest gripes in RVs is the countertop is too small. You can't even put your toothbrush and stuff out, you know?
In the bathrooms?
Right.
Yeah, I get that.
So you got plenty of space there. Porcelain foot flush toilet again. Now we're up in the master bedroom. Huge king bed.
Yeah.
Just very, very large countertop. Underneath it, of course, is like a dresser.
Okay.
For lack of a better term, I think it is exactly a dresser.
The closet is huge.
Front closet that also can hold a washer and dryer.
Right.
Which is, I can't tell you how convenient that is on the road.
Yeah.
It really is. It's amazingly convenient.
Well, and just how much better do you feel using your own washer and dryer
than other people's?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always thought that as you put your skivvies in.
Yeah.
I wonder if the person before me put their skivvies in.
It's like a sliding barn door there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And then we're looking back at
We're back in the bathroom. Again. Yep. You can see the fantastic fan up top. Moves a ton of air, which can be very nice in the bathroom. More storage.
Now we're going to see above the TV.
Yeah, just tons of storage throughout this thing. If you look at all the cabinets. Again, the ceiling fan is on the ceiling in this one, not the floor.
Yeah. And above the couch there, plenty more. I'm wondering if we get over to, because we haven't really looked at the kitchen yet. If we move forward and see if we move into the kitchen. Fan looks like it's doing its own thing.
That is an awesome fan.
I promise you the fan's not moving like that. That's the video picking up. So then again, there's the stove. We did look at the stove. And
yeah, 4-burner too.
Looks sharp.
Again, tons of storage. Now we're looking inside the residential refrigerator, which is gargantuous. Has a separate freezer, of course.
So there's some cabinets and then a little pantry over there just behind what we're looking at there.
Yeah.
Well, that was quick. It was. I feel like some of these we had to get through pretty quickly because of
we did.
just being allowed in them.
It was the type of thing we didn't want to wear out your welcome.
Right.
So to speak.
I get that. So